I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
We'll stop for toilet, that's why we are stopping a little bit down there, but all of you sleeping, we decide to continue a little bit further, and that will be our next station, the local gas station. This is KIKO, a small town famous by mines. They have two mines near this town. One is called Here down there we have two of them, Saint Kirill and Saint Methodi, and two of the students who are in charge about our ladders, Saint Clement with protector of our city, and Sentinel, which is down there. So they're really famous and they're really popular and we're celebrating actually that presents really much in our town. And also it's not coincidence to every second going name is a Clement or now. Just meet Philip, but anyway, that's your luck. You meet Philip and mine also. So we are right on the main square. Yesterday we noticed our flag is with sun. Also every city we have a flag in the middle. We passed a pedestrian area and everything here which is interesting is behind us. There is an old town of city of Ohrid. So we will start the journey. 260 mountain there. So we are high. The old town, the citadel, there is a fortress behind in the top is 800 meters. So from here, right? And when you start walking, you see Ohrid. How long until the end? Ohrid in our language means hill. So I'll give you that. Hill. So here it was a lower gate. It was a three main enter gates in the town. Upper hill, lower gate, and the main gate. So here it was a gate used until 1912, 1913. Can you come closer, please? Closer. Until the gate they didn't have the day open and the night closed. So if you like to enter in the city, you need to wait. Happy birthday to you.
Ba't kasi dito tayo nakastambay?
In the summer we have regulations for the traffic. That means the citizens who are in the old town, we have a tolls, it's not paid tolls, but we have a tolls. And if you are a citizen of the old town, you show them your number of the car and also you're showing ID the address of living, and they will give you permission, yes or not, you can enter and keep your car inside the old town or no. So in the summer we have some regulation about the tourists and everything, because every second house from here which you can see up there is apartments. They're renting apartments, and it's a good business. It's a really good business because you can earn really good money the whole time, and many people decide to invest in that business. Take a loan, invest in the apartments, and earn. Not need to work other things, you can just rent apartments, which is just super enough. But we need to still fix our traffic in some areas. If you like clothes, yeah, you can make shopping if you like, but I'll continue the story. So if you want to come here, it's good. Okay, because some of our group like clothes, right? We are not.
We'll